In my family, I have people who have worked in manufacturing for factories. I really like that I get to do stuff that I wouldn't have access to at home because there's a lot of resources in here, and we even get to share resources with some of the other classrooms, which is really nice because then we get to do welding even though we're not in welding, but welding it could be a part of manufacturing. I was thinking that I wanted to, before I went to college, if I do decide to go to college, I wanted to take a year off and get a job in manufacturing so that way I can get a jump start into a career, get some job experience because I can't work right now. So I want to get experience once I am an adult and on my own before I decide to go to school, because if this works out and I get a good job in manufacturing, then I could just move up and get a good position in that.